4 years ago. And so excuse me to say, she's people per the picture she posted. And people were helping her. Then one man from the US or say or person or beboa or nuni the daughter. Then I said, okay, me personally, before I help you, I need to verify because I don't know. I'll be dumping money into somewhere, and someone may think I have condo and connive with somebody. So I always love to yes, verification. Ah, she told me she's here. I came back. My friend was
Odan CTC TV. The American Biano of Anissa. Odan for na Jatum. Tell party. What I say, what Jatum? Tell party. Party Jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Muti Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place nation. Blaster place no. Ghana local place no. All no be a City TV. City na. Keko.
Okay, Bishop Maka about Oda Citizen TV. So, I am so for Oda Citizen. Minimum, a dear share. Now, another no, the medical said you could for a team Oda Crumia. Now, in the moon, any opinion Casabako, and I am like a Sabaqua, all Bomwadin or Ghana. A bongo will be or quite a horosco. Yeah, I am Nana tea. Sammy, and then I will bump into a medicine. It's your high number to Mokakana. Every sound same back on you, bro. Upon Bokodi.
yeah, we have a call.
Okay, bro, you are doing a great job. Casting a mention. Of course, you pay out because Duma Yamagana, Duma Cassia Power for Tonso. Casting a mention on that.
And shall also.
Amen.
Yeah.
Okay, then the Deacon person who said, but I bear pan is when you swap. The share social media so never as a broad unity as so. Then I always be a motivate.
Okay, so first of all, one of the reasons is the true reflection of whatever that has happened to me. Like just go out doing the same to others. Yes.
And then the mouth motivating because in Mitiwa you are down to the earth. Because we do a Cassandra and
okay. So imagine say those days that was in primary, GHS, SHS, there was no money, there was no funding. Lucky enough, people came through for me. So what do I have to do in my next when I also have the opportunity to do for others? Yes, so exactly what I'm doing for others. The reflection of whatever that has happened to me is what I'm doing now.
Because be a Cassandra, baby, or dream. Be a Cassandra, Pijak, and bet back another tea there. Always be armor. You are down to the earth. You'll be able to be out of respect and wear the man. That no, so then I watch you. That's how you manage.
My upbringing. I'm from a Christian home. Aside that, life has taught me a lot of lessons. Yeah. So when you humble yourself, God says what? Humble yourself and He will lift you up. So exactly. Regardless of whoever is involved. Yeah.
Then I do what
okay, Madam will be a friend of aware. And on me papa we free. And I hear back. The tiny chief, yeah.
Okay. Now, what did you make the S when so? Bears at 19, no, not in reaching. Now, no. And for a boy myself to make the year, it's because of prayers. I'm conform with one. Then I'll catch yourself.
I'm really, really grateful for all what they've been doing for me. Because without them, I'm not an artist. You wouldn't have even known about me. Because personally, I wouldn't be able to fund some of these things that comes here. So thank you. No. Not at all. Most of them I've not even set eyes on them. Some even come with a blank Facebook page. They donate and that ends it. I don't even know who they are. I've not even seen their picture before or anything of that sort.
Because of the good work you are doing.
It's the grace of God that makes it possible. Had it not been God and maybe whatever I showcase and people are just, I realize what I notice is people are passionate in helping people. Sometimes they just want people who they can trust. Exactly. So if you make yourself trustworthy, people come through for you.
Okay. Because the last time or that kumi ya uba.
Hey!
And no dwumadi a wodi.
Yes,
I
yes,
say women do reach out to you say oh hiamwa.
yes,
Not
yes.
knowing say sana let you know scammer na
Oh yes,
fake na.
Kalma. Oh yes,
But
Kalma.
but
Okay. The girl I've forgotten then. I think about 3 or 4 years ago. And so excuse me to say, she's crippled.
Okay.
Per the picture she posted, and people were helping her. Then one man from the US or say or person or beboa or nuni ni the daughter. Then I said, okay, me personally, before I help you, I need to verify because I don't know. I'll be dumping money into somewhere, and someone may think I have condone and connive with somebody. So I always love to
verification.
yes verification. She told me she's here. I came, my friend was she said they now hear me go.
Wow.
Let me say, hey, from Accra to Ahano, na hear better. The road was not even equally good. Now I realize they have done some parts, so today they are moving happy.
Wow.
Just that there's some more small work to be done as well. Yeah. So you see, after that story, it stopped there because she's been doing it on other platforms.
Oh, okay.
And people have been donating money. But because of that story, Ghana Web even did the story. They realized, oh yes, scammer. So that thing has blocked. Had it not been that, me coming to verify, me sure say, Anka, oh baby, Anka, me sure say up to now say we are still donating to her because her story was so touchy. She's crippled and she has a daughter. She's a single mom. Look at the story. Who else would not want to support such a thing? But it is not true. Yeah.
Now, man, na ti ben man ti o da kumi na nimu fufure.
Oh, me say, sada no. Hi, me say, I see me raw.
I mean, I get it. You know,
Yeah.
na ti o ha o gbo juma because obi adonate dem as fa do obi.
Yeah.
See musa o de
Exactly.
Besana ni pane. Obi a o yes scam o pese o ye de. Because can you because you can say nyame koso me de. O nsure na juma o.
Extra also, because I've been seeing the amazing work you also do. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Bigger doors will open for you as well. Yeah.
We are here to support see them give it to koso.
Sure.
As I'm the last year's be a bed camp at the actual Ghana. But then na birthday. Of course, I say I do for that. That's a 2 days time there birthday. I do for that to be last year's that channel.
Okay. So my only few words is there are a lot of people who are in need. Just any little thing that you can do to support anybody. You don't need much. On Vast Day, he talked about Vast Day. I gave my wife maize. Is it the roasted one? And then Kube. She appreciated it. You don't need to do much for people to appreciate it. Just little act of kindness goes a long way. Thank you. Audacity to the world.
Bro, thanks for coming.
Yeah. Thank you too.